So this is exactly how to play Waterpark Simulator with your friends on your Xbox. So firstly, on the main menu, you have to select multiplayer right here, as you can see, and then click on host. Then what you need to do is that you're going to click on new game right here, and then I'm going to select if it's a city or a beach here. So for example, city and then easy. You can also skip the tutorial if you want to, just so you know. Oh, I have to give it a name also, so I'm just gonna write something and then click on create here, as you can see. And now we can have friends or invite only. Honestly, I don't know what the difference is because I only always put it on invite only and I can still invite my friends or anybody I want. So I just gonna keep it at that. You can see you can even change the max players here as well if you want to. I have it set to 4 because even if it's not 4, it's still gonna work, obviously. And perfect. Now I have my park here. Whoops. So now what you need to do, the last step is going to be for you to click on the menu and then invite your friends that you have on Xbox or anybody that you want to be able to invite basically. And when they join, you will then be able to play together. But basically that is exactly how you can actually play Water Park Simulator with friends on your Xbox.